Notice this is 5.3, problems 1 through 14 and 21 through 30. The odd are copied down. The answers to all the questions are also here on this assignment if you do not have a book. I've copied down the problems. For instance, number 2, 9t to the 6th times negative 3t to the 5th. 9 is times negative 3 is negative 27. The t's are times each other, so you add your exponents. Add your exponents. So follow along. The work is shown here. Make sure you understand it. Then we get to number 11 and 12. We are using the distributive property, and 9 and 10. Look at 10. 2x in front of the parentheses times in the parentheses 6x plus 3. So that 2x is times the 6x. The 2x is times the 3 as shown on this page. And then through 14. So please pause and make sure you get everything written down, and then do the odd just like them and check your work. Make sure you're very thorough. I've got to see lots of work. 21 and 22. Now on 22 and 21, this is a binomial times a binomial. X plus 2 times x plus 9 on 22. First, the first x is times x plus 9. Then the 2 is times x plus 9. So x times x plus 9, and the work is shown there. And then finally on the fifth line down, I've added together the 9x and the 2x to get 11x for your final answer. As shown, doing these problems here. Later we'll find a little shorter way of doing this on the next lesson, but this is the work here for through 30. And I'll stop it down here and let it hold here. That completes the assignment on 5.1, 5.2, and 5.3.